One UI 8.5 is a great update that Samsung introduced with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But as you go along down the line, there's actually missing features at each generation down. So let's compare them and show you what you're missing as you go down the versions of Samsung's flagships with One UI 8.5. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. I've got 4 versions of One UI 8.5 here: S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, S25 Ultra, S26 Ultra. As we go from the fully fleshed out version all the way down to this one down here, you're going to see some things missing. First though, I actually want to start with a feature that's missing here on the S26 Ultra, and that's app lock. A lot of people have been asking for a feature where you can long press on an app and then you can lock it behind your fingerprint, a passcode, just a way of restricting access to the app itself. It doesn't exist. Samsung has still not put it into a phone, even though a lot of people keep asking about it. It's definitely one of the things in the comments I see a lot from you guys. There is still, of course, secure folder. So if I type secure folder in here, this absolutely still exists as a feature that you can turn on and hide apps in here. But it's not the same as having an app be present on your home screen or in your app drawer and being able to just long press and lock it. Samsung still have not included that. And that's on every version of One UI 8.5, including the flagship one. But as we start to scale down to the other versions of One UI 8.5, you're going to notice some differences. First place per head for this is the camera. And with the full version of One UI 8.5 on the S26 series, you see we have 24 megapixel mode as a default option for the camera. And that's all been brought about through an update to Camera Assistant. If I go in here, you'll see 24 megapixel shows up as an option. In every version of One UI 8.5 underneath that, there is no such thing as 24 megapixel either in the default camera settings, or if I go into Camera Assistant, there is no 24 megapixel option as part of advanced resolution options. Doesn't matter which phone you go to here, it's just not present, and Samsung have decided not to include it. And we go down all the way here to the S23 Ultra, there is no 24 megapixel option included as part of the Camera Assistant and One UI 8.5 update. Okay, I get it. Maybe it's a processor thing to do with the hardware of the chip and how it processes images. Maybe it can't process 24 megapixels on these ones here. I highly doubt it, but that's potentially what Samsung might say if you ask them directly. That's not the only thing that's missing as far as the camera goes. The S26 series, through a video feature, introduced something called horizontal lock, which we've seen on other phones before, a long time ago. So potentially you'd think that maybe the older phones would get it. Well, with One UI 8.5, when we looked at it, it's just regular old super steady. And no matter which one we go to here, turn off log there, you'll see that it's just regular super steady. Samsung have not included it as part of the update. There is something out there that says it's going to support it, but as of now, it's not here. There's other things too within the camera. For example, the S26 series gets log, obviously, with the LUT video previews, which is great. S25 series gets log with the LUT video previews, as does the S24 series, also getting log with LUT previews. S23 series, no log, no LUT previews, nowhere to be seen. Okay, that's the camera stuff, the main stuff out of the way. What about Galaxy AI? With Galaxy AI open on each phone with One UI 8.5, you can see the full version with the S26 Ultra. You've got call assist with call screening. You've got the photo assist with the create tab with the text. And then you've got the new features like Creative Studio. You've got the audio eraser update. And then you've got Now Nudge and notification highlights as part of the update. These mostly get most of them. So the S25 and the S24 both get the call screening update. The S23 does not, okay? The S25 and S24 both get the create update with the photo assist, which is great. It means they both get the text icon. And they also both get Creative Studio and the update to audio eraser. Both of them get that feature as part of the One UI 8.5 experience. The S23 Ultra gets the update from a visual sense for One UI 8.5 for photo assist, but it does not get the text function, the text to change with the photo assist. Nor does it get the updated Creative Studio. It retains drawing assist. And as you can see, no audio eraser to speak of whatsoever. The S25 and S24 are also missing the Now Nudge and notification highlight function. They don't exist at all, which is just strange to me. I would have expected the priority notifications from notification highlights and the Now Nudge to be very similar to a feature like Now Brief, which both of these phones can support. So why don't they have the Now Nudge notification highlights? The S23 Ultra doesn't have any of them. No Now Brief, no Now Nudge, no notification highlights, and no Health Assist, and no weather wallpaper, which has also been included as part of the update. That's what's missing. Obviously, from a visual sense, the update is the same across the board. The revamped Quick Panel customization is the same on all, and with the Quick Start module, you obviously can get even different customization again. As you can see, they're all different versions of a Quick Panel. You've got the updated visuals to things like the settings, where you've got the updated blur top and bottom. You've also got the updated visuals without all the menu descriptions in there. And you've also got the visuals to apps like the gallery, for example, which gets the update with the floating menu bar down the bottom and gives you that updated, cleaner aesthetic that the app gets. That all comes across on all of them. So you don't miss out from a visual sense, you just miss out from a function sense, which for me is a bit of a problem, especially these two. They should get everything, 24 megapixel. They should get the Galaxy AI updates, horizontal lock. Why don't these have it? This I get 100%, but these two, confusing. Anyways, that's the One UI 8.5 difference from a headline sense across these 4 devices here. Let me know which one you've got of these models here, and if you're disappointed as well, chuck it down in the comments. Also, feel free to go watch us on our other platforms. We're on every social media, and we're also got our website, sammobile.com. Go check us out over there, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.